The driver attached to judiciary Stanely Kisambira has been arraigned in the Standards and Utilities Court in Kampala to be charged with offences that led to his arrest. Before Chief Magistrate Gladys Kamsanyu, driver Stanely Kisambira was first charged with offence of hate speech, although he denied it.
A recorded audio which was likely to promote hostility, and that this was likely to promote hostility against judges in the judiciary of Uganda over and above those of their drivers.
Prosecution told court that investigations into the matter are still ongoing. Stanely Kisambira, through his legal team, prayed to court to be granted bail by presenting 3 sureties, among others, Mbabali Francis, Wambiro Nadi Patrick, and his wife Grace Muksa.
Your Honor, the accused person has no criminal record. Your Honor, he's, again from the charge sheet itself, a driver of the judiciary. They have fixed places of abode. They've provided documents relating to their workplaces. That is to say, employment IDs for sureties number 1 and 2, and an introduction letter, Your Honor, to the 3rd surety regarding her stationary business in Gunga.
However, prosecution rejected the application, saying that all the sureties don't meet the required standards for bail, being that they have failed to clearly identify their places of residence, among other factors.
Surety number 1 had to prove, just like the rest of us, that he has a fixed place of abode. Your Honor, he presented a letter. It's of very little relevance. It doesn't tell us anything about the surety. Whether he has a fixed place of abode, does he have his own house, does he rent, the names of the landlord, if any.
He asked court not to release Stanely Kisambira on bail and to impose strict bail terms unto him. Magistrate Gladys Kamsanyu, however, dismissed the prosecution's prayers, thus releasing driver Stanely Kisambira on a non-cash bail of 10 million.
The accused person, having presented substantial sureties before a court, charged with an offence that is bailable by this court, still presumed to be innocent until the state adduces evidence to prove him guilty. He's given a chance to answer the charge from home. Each of the sureties will execute a non-cash bond of 5 million Uganda shillings.
The court resumed on 12th June 2023.
What we have is not a criminal matter. What we have should be a labor complaint. What we have should be a constitutional matter. I think what we should have is a political discussion on how we treat drivers, on how we treat support staff. You can tell this from the what has been going on in the courtroom. So this is a discussion we should be having, as opposed to having a criminal trial. On our part as the defense team for Mr. Kisambira, we are very ready to enter into the legal arguments.
Stanely Kisambira is accused of posting an audio that went viral on different social media platforms, showing dissatisfaction with a monthly salary of 200,000 as a judiciary driver. Stanely Kisambira has been in custody since Tuesday this week after being remanded by Buganda Road Court. Deborah Namamonde, UBC News.